After watching this video, you will be able to make this sort of logo by the help of ChatGPT free AI. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first you have to go here, ChatGPT. So some sort of advert could appear, or here just notice that OpenAI, this website is valid and authentic. Just press over there, try ChatGPT. You have to must log in or sign up. So how to sign it up, let's see. Suppose I'm going to incognito mode. Just write down here ChatGPT. So then after using this keyword ChatGPT, writing over there, you'll get OpenAI. Just open it up and try ChatGPT. And in this option here they will show you here ChatGPT 5 login or sign up free. So press sign up free. So sign up for free. Here some options will appear in front of you. The Google, you can sign up with the Google, Microsoft account, Apple, or you can sign up with a phone number. After signing it up, you'll see this sort of interface will appear in front of you. And in this portion, you can attach any sort of photo over there if you want. Suppose Mitsubishi, Mercedes, or Suzuki logo you can attach, or without attaching, you just provide the prompt over there here. So I written here MG logo. Here in this portion you have to change it out. So I'm just providing here prompt in the video description, and check it out in a video description, this prompt. And you have to change the MG logo. If you want to change it Nike logo, that's fine. Let's try Nike logo, and then you have to press enter or just press the arrow icon. After providing the prompt, ChatGPT will provide you the image what I just provided earlier, and then you'll get the logo like that. So here the prompt is ready and the image is ready. The ChatGPT is making it done. So it's a long process. If you are user of a free version, it will take long process, and one thing is that if you are the paid user, it will take less time than the freest one. Let's see the result. After providing the prompt, you will able to see this sort of image will appear in front of you. So you can change up this portion. Let's try another one here, and change up this portion, any sort of logo like ChatGPT. Okay, just hit the enter button, and after making it done, you'll see this one is a Nike logo, and by changing of this portion you can make any sort of logo like this. So let's see the second result what they are providing us. Let's see, it's loading, and after loading that you'll able to see what is the result. So the funniest thing is that ChatGPT, this thing, ChatGPT logo, I didn't write down over there the ChatGPT logo, and just written here ChatGPT, and they provided the letter ChatGPT. Let's try this one, writing up the logo ChatGPT logo, and then let's see what they are providing us. So here you are watching the result, second result. Here when I just written over the logo, they make the logo before that they just given me only the text. So this one is the important point. You have to retain the logo, otherwise they won't able to provide you this thing, actually this. So here the difference between the writing logo or not, here is the huge difference. You can write anything in a capital, it will provide you in a capital, or like this sort of frozen effect. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, is Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and bye bye.